Hello, hello, greetings. Okay, why am I so excited? Because I'm gonna do an oyster mukbang. Yep, fresh oysters. I mean, look at this bad boy right here. Oh, please. They're so juicy, so fat. I've got to show you this one. Look how deep that one is. Look how deep that one is. That one. Oh, look how juicy it is. I don't want to waste a single morsel. And all I'm going to have with it is just a bit of lemon. So let's just get into it, shall we? Just, so I've got a dozen here. See that juice just... down the hatch, ladies and gentlemen. I could talk all day. I just got to get that gum off the shell. As a kid, they were the best bits. Look at that. You could use it for a salad bowl. Okay, the next one. No lemon at all, just straight in the hatch. Stop it. That is so glorious. Next one, a bit of lemon. Oh, almost squeezed that in my damn eye. That was cool. I'll tell you what, I'm just going to get just like a pinch of salt, just a... I'm going to use this smoky 100% natural pink Himalayan salt. And it's pink. It is pink. See that? Yeah, raining down. Like I love it now, natural. And that's how I'll have it, with just lemon, bit of salt. I'm going to add a little bit of pepper too. I'm going to use this cracked pepper. See it raining down pepper. Not too much. lemon juice will just help it cook just a little bit, but not too much. Some of you might not even like oysters at all, and just a mere look at them will disgust you. The texture thing. But I grew up around seafood all my life. You know what? I cannot help it. I'm going to put lemon on all of them, because that was just awesome. And the acid from the lemon will just cook where the lemon is touched. Marinade. Okay. Oh boy. Okay. Nice big fat. Oh, so meaty, so sweet. The lemon is really sharp and really complements the oyster. The texture is smooth and it is meaty. I'm able to, but still soft enough so I can press my tongue up against the roof of my mouth and just let the sack explode with all its goodness. Just, oh, stop it please. So I've got 1 dozen of these. So far I've had 4. Oh, 5. So 7 more to go. That one there, just a perfect amount of pepper on it. So gorgeous, so beautiful, so smooth. Well, so lucky. So these oysters are New Zealand Pacifics. They are large, and they do actually get bigger than this. They go into jumbos or extra large jumbos. But these, heaven on earth. Oh my God. That is so delicious. That's what we've got left, guys. 5 more to go. Just a bit more lemon. Every time I grab the salt grinder, I just feel like the French coming out of me. Not that there's any kind of French in me. Not at all. Let's try this one right here. Just slap up all of that excess lemon juice. That one was so meaty. I just don't want it to end. I have to be honest. And if I could, if I didn't love meat so much, I'd be pescatarian for sure. Just eat seafood. Okay, this is the next victim. I can only explain it better that there will be victims to my oyster eating mukbang. Oh, that is so good. Oh, that is so good. No, we got 3 left. Just going to add a touch more pepper. And a touch more salt. Did you see that rain? I did. Let's just get some of that lemon in there. Oh, there, that's just pooling in that shell. Definitely gonna have to do this one right here. Actually, any, mini, money, mo. That's the one I picked. Oh. That's so good. So I've eaten 10. I have 2 left. We've got a dozen oysters here. So I'm going to save this one for last, because it was one of the bigger ones. Always got to save the best for last. I don't know why some people don't like oysters. I'm glad you don't. It just leaves more for me and the rest of us oyster loving people. But here we go. Final one. And before it goes down, I just want to say how amazing these oysters are, and everything I expected them to be. Juicy, fat and creamy, meaty, so flavoursome. When I eat one, it's like being splashed by a wave in the ocean, and you get that salty, sea salty taste in your mouth. That's what it's like for me eating these oysters. Here we go, guys. That's the last one. I have to say, those are some of the best oysters I have ever had. Here we go. 12 empty oyster shells, done and dusted. Fat, milky, creamy, meaty, and flavoursome, just enhanced by the lemon, the pink Himalayan salt, and black pepper. They were smooth, they were full, they were large. I'm still getting the aftertaste of the ocean in my mouth. They're not slimy. Don't give me the same texture. They're not the same texture. It's not. It's nothing like that. These are genuinely the candy of the ocean. Oh. Anyway, that's my oyster mukbang. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed it, because I really enjoyed it, like really. In fact, I could easily do another dozen. Just saying. Just putting it out there. Just letting you know. Thank you. Thank you for watching. And if you want to watch me do more oysters or seafood mukbangs, or any mukbangs at all, just leave a comment and yeah, tell me what you want me to eat. Tell me what's next. If I can get it, that's of course, if I can get it. Thanks a lot. I'm gonna see you on the next one. Oh yeah.